AI pumped in our live streaming on Friday. The price jumped over the $30 and we said this is the entry point where we entered around the $30.65 and the price went until the $33.52 before the market closed. We're going to discuss where the ultimate profit taken for AI because the price has been accumulated since the 3rd of February until now, last day in March, in this range between the $20 and the $30. And finally, we have the squeeze around Friday over the $30. Next up, we got Tesla. The price pumped from the 200. It was good trade for us as well for 200 mark breakout for Tesla, and that's why the price squeezed and went until our level of profit taken, the 209, and still pumping. We're going to discuss where the ultimate profit taken for the next week for Tesla because this is not it. As for AI situation, Tesla has been accumulating between the 200 and 185, and then we pumped around Friday around the 200. Next up, we got Marathon Digital Holding. The price pumped from the $8.12, but we have an important level to break and squeeze at for the next week. And we might have a huge pump and squeeze for the next week. So we have to be prepared because last Friday we did 11% with 36 worth of volume. CVNA pumped and is still holding over this ascending channel. We're still holding over the $8. There's a potential continuation. We got SOUN jump 40% on Friday. We got Chat AI platform uses breakthrough technology to offer powerful voice assistant to businesses and brands. So we got some fundamental news regarding the stock. That's why the price actually jumped regarding AI, and they just loading up on the stock. That's why it jumped 40%, and there is a potential breakout from the $2.80. And of course, we're going to discuss this buy because there's something about to happen. Look what happened. The moment that we broke the 405, all the market entered a huge bullish run. Not just Tesla, Nvidia, Intel, Neo is still holding our support. So here we have a turning point for the SPY over the 405. Before it was a resistance, we broke it on Friday. So let's get right to it and discuss. The first stock on our list is AI. Oh man, what a jump we had on Friday. We spotted this breakout zone in our live streaming, and this is why the price continued to go higher from our breakout zone until we ended the trading session on Friday. We did 13%, and there's a potential other pump. So my target for AI for the next week, if we're still holding the 30, is the $39 before the $40. Let me just check. Another 15% for AI. So watch out for this profit taken, and of course this level should be our first support. The bottom hole for this year, if we don't want to have a sell-off, is the $20. So the $20, it should be the bottom for this year for AI to continue to go higher over the 50. But the support that we should hold is the $30 to confirm a strength in the charts and bullish momentum run for AI toward the $39. For Tesla, doing all right because we still holding the 200. We have a bit of red candle forming. When we broke it, we tested the support. Price continued to go higher, getting near the 209, which was our profit taken. The good thing is we didn't have a sell-off and the price going toward 200. We're still doing higher lows. The price get a bit of rejection, people taking profit because it's Friday, of course, and the price continued to go higher. A bit of selling pressure, profit taking triggered, but the market maker is still loading up on Tesla. So this is a good reaction. So on Monday, we have to test the 217. So this is the most important level for Monday test. It's a resistance at the same time profit taking. We're going to do update for other profit taken and other support for Tesla on Monday in pre-market. We might see a gap around this level, so we have to update our chart. Next up, we got Marathon Digital Holding. The $8.12 is our current support, the resistance that we should have a breakout, and of course, squeeze is the $9.36. And you should ask me, why Jesus the $9.36? Of course, let's go in the big picture to see what I'm talking about. The $9.36 is a really important level because we got this descending channel that's been tested so many times. I think now is the fourth. And on Friday, we have kind of a breakout. So this is first signal for strength, because last time we tested this descending channel, we got rejected, price went down, but we're still doing higher lows. And now the confirm, the squeeze by Monday is holding the $8.12, breaking the $9.36, and we're gonna have the squeeze. Of course, in the pre-market, if we have a pre-market gap over the $9.36, we're gonna do a chart update analysis on our Discord and our Patreon to have an exact entry and exit for those volatile stock. Next up, we got CVNA. We got many questions at our live streaming regarding this stock because it was jumping and the price is still holding over this ascending channel. Now, there's a most important level that we should break for CVNA is the $10.60. So after we clear the $10.60 and holding this ascending channel, we're gonna have a breakout. The breakout will take us until the $12.78 for CVNA. Let me just check how much we can do here. 20%. The support is still around $7.94 or give or take over the $8. So we need to hold the $8 even if we got rejected around the $10.60 because it's a resistance and a breakout zone is double. We might have breaking for this ascending channel is a weakness, but as long as we hold $8 in the big picture is not a sell-off. We're gonna have accumulation, then going toward the $12.78. That's why we always say let the price come to you and never run at the price and never force the trade, because if we don't have enough volume, if the market maker, the whale, didn't buy over the $10.60 and make the short cover, we can't actually break the $10.60, so we have to be patient. $10.60, break, hold, boom. We're gonna have the $12.78 for CVNA. For my opinion, we might have a good April for the market. Hopefully it will not be April full day for the market when we have a huge pump for the market on a Friday, that the market will have a huge drawback on Monday. So we have to be extremely careful and watch the first day on April and see if the market reacting, and we're gonna have a bull run at least for this month. Next up, we got SOUN. We got a huge pump. We have great news for this stock. Stock jump actually almost 40% on Friday. Yeah, 40%, and the volume is picking up. The support for this one is around the $2.30, and the breakout zone is the $2.81 to go toward the $3 and the $3.44 for this stock. Is pretty volatile. We already hit our resistance around the $2.80. That's why we didn't break it on Friday. Finally, we got the SPY. Let me just go back to the SPY. 1% 40, yeah, good. So for the SPY, we held this support over the 374. We held another ascending channel. We have a reversal. We broke the 405. We doing really good for the SPY. However, on Monday, we need to overcome this potential resistance around this area, the 415 and 16. So this area should be a resistance and a breakout zone toward the 425, which is a turning point for the SPY. We're gonna do update, of course, for the SPY, for Tesla, for AMC, of course, GameStop for the next week. Because if the market open and we don't have a preparation for the support and resistance and where we get in, where we get out, is really hard to take those decisions when the market open. We have to be quick, okay? And of course, we're gonna do live streaming around 3 p.m. CT or 9 a.m. Eastern time as usual on Monday. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.